So welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. This is now, we're just doing some clean up here. And at the same time, this is the place where what Terrence doing the time when he saw the snake, we got some metal studs, some stuck up here. And Terrence counted, so because we're using that in the guest house, and then the snake right away underneath of that. We're just glad that he didn't hold it, because that's the yeah. So here also we just, because it's been rainy season, the garden it's not just the vegetable that growing, but also the grass. And as you seen here, we have some pathway here, but because heavy rain, and what Manong Rado and Kuya Julio just did, all what they just did, it's just been cemented right away without cement underneath of this. So when the rain drops and it's really heavy, it break down the pathway. Yeah, so here I got a little garden here, some tangkong, some spinach. This is what I like on this plant, it's with us since this is the first plants that I've been planted, and now it's growing. It looks like palm tree, but it's not. I tried to transfer this one. Bunitin sa nanay. Yeah, so I'm harvesting my dito isog nanay.
Kari kawan nining nagkatkuan kay may muluok na sa kuan.
O baka nang nasulog has din sa sud nimo.
Bawa. Kasi babaw ni kat ni sa bangon.
Tarong nga bunit ang cellphone.
Na.
Yeah, so I'm harvesting eggplant.
Naon sa imig.
Sag dili na kay wa tay video ato nga ni harvest.
Ayog anaa.
Nanay said it's not ready. I said, no, Nanay, we need to harvest this one even if it's not ready, because we don't
Mudak
have
ko
video.
kumaunta na. Hilabtan. Ay lagi na kay gamating pa na kayo ng
here,
usa.
I am harvesting eggplant. And at the same time, I got here also, with Terrence and I, if you're following our videos, we planted this moringa. So I'm also gonna harvest moringa. See?
Mupay na udlot na na.
Ay, nanay kay, what ay video mo? May atong videohan. Ang atong pagpang-harvest.
Kanang cactus.
Nga,
Uy, kanang cactus may video ha. Mo na ipangipa.
Yeah, so here, it's not, we will not put all, ito ugamay na nito. Alam ba? Hindi lang. So now, I'm also gonna harvest some of this. Still good. Some okra.
Ano nga tumba man yung okra ha? Nabaw tingali ni pagtanom nimo.
Yeah, I've been planting this one. As long as you've been as long as you have you plant, it will grow. And you don't need fertilizer. You can the one that you've been buying. Nanay, pag-video ka na yeah, so you don't need some fertilizer that you buy in the market, but you can also use the Carabao manure or some the gummy. It's called the rice field, Nanay, tanaw sa imong gibidyuhan, nanay. I need to try na.
Naalagi ning tics na ko nga kuan.
You need to look in the video. Yeah, so what else?
One out.
Yeah, this is good. This one. Yeah, I like this tangkong.
Utlo adi kay panlaruton kay mamatay na.
I like this one because it really add on, nanay. It really add on the soup, the taste. So these are the Carabao manure that the kids is brought
Brutokol.
brought for me.
Ayan na nagkuha ikawan. Agikuhaan ako ganina.
Iwat ay video. Tarong, bunitin lang. Ganun. Yan, sabi mo to.
Nakurutan na daw.
Harvest this one. Ay, kaya what ay video.
Masahot man na.
Yeah, the good thing about this moringa, you just been planted the moringa as long as you don't have goats, because the goat favorite food of the goat is moringa. You know?
Tara.
Yeah, so that's it. Ay, ba? Where are we gonna go? I need to wake up Terrence. He's been having a nap, so that we can video we're gonna harvest some pineapple. Nay, pineapple na, nay.
Wow, timbas na ron. Uy, paskulo na. Dunga na.
Ha?
Dunga na sila
Wala
ng
sa
kulo.
kulo?
May bunga.
Asay! Asay!
But.
Very ang nanay.
Hindi ko mahadlok.
I need to transfer this one for its vein.
Nanaha naman din na bit. Panturang na nga iyos ibit. Si May ko itong tumaraglubi-lubi. Amo na manaha. Umani siya ha.
Yes, so again, please like, comment, and subscribe. This one is still a project that we need to do bit by bit later on. That's why this is like a clean. You know, but in time, we will cement this area. You know, just want us dog house here for Ryder and Yaya. You know, because Yaya now we're expecting 3 puppies for Yaya. Terrence wants to sell it, you know, wants to sell it, but I said if it's black, we need, I want it to have another puppies, you know, so we want them a little house for them, because the family of Yaya and Ryder is getting bigger, so that's our hopes. Yeah, other than that, our cactus is growing very big. You know, I just planted this. I just planted a cactus by this one. You know, I asked from down there in the main road, and they give it to me like this. And look at that's been, I think 6 years ago or 5 years ago, and that's the main there. And then we transferred some. The good thing about this is it's not been raining. Nanay tarong nga lagi tan-aw na.
Kuan pa na oy, mga 1 year pa na oy.
Di ka to ba? Di kan bet tungad to gi-transfer. Yeah, so
2 years na 2 years.
Di lagi pa 6 years lagi. Kat di ka una. Yeah, so nanay been having her own calculations. I have my own calculations because that's the first plant that we've been planted over there, which our house before is not yet finished. You know, I think we're still doing the post of our tower. Yeah, so again, please like, comment, and subscribe. Nana is holding like that.